So first thing what I told is cool down. Cool
Down.
cool down. Cool down. Second thing I told, number 2. Second thing I told,
More.
told munch on. What?
Munch on.
Munch on. Right? So
Correct.
he munched on what? Green leaves.
Green leaves.
Bhima's favorite sport was to play in the water of the stream. Okay? To play in the water of the stream. He liked the refreshing touch of water. Okay?
Yes.
So he liked the refreshing touch. Touch of water. Refreshing touch means when you touch the water, it makes you happy. It makes you fresh. Yes. So he liked this refreshing touch of water. Sometimes he filled his long trunk with liters of water. So another thing is liters of water, right?
Then after liter of water,
Yes, liters of water. So
So
yes. So another thing you see, filled with. Okay. Another phrasal verb, fill with. Okay. So he filled his trunk with water, and then squirted it. Squirted means threw out. Okay, so another thing you know, that is throw out. Okay, number 4. So another thing is throw out. Throw out. Right? Throw out. So okay. So he scooted it all over his body. So where he scooted? All over his body. Ta dehere, nijo dehere pakaye. Hela? Like a shower. You know shower, what is shower?
Yes.
What is shower?
Shower is fun.
Yes. Your home.
Fun silver language and like
Okay, that is in your bathroom. That is present in your bathroom. Okay. Sometimes he sprayed tiny drops, not droplets. You are telling always droplets. So tiny drops of water in the air, as though his trunk was a sprinkler. Okay, wait. As though his trunk was a sprinkler. Right? So sprinkler means a kind of shower. That is also a kind of a shower. Okay. So when Bhima was very happy, he raised his trunk and trumpeted loudly. Trumpeted, trumpeted means yes, making sound. That is the elephant sound. So loudly. He was very proud of his long trunk and could do just about everything with it. So could do just about. So just about everything with it. Many other animals lived in the forest. Monkeys watched Bhima from treetops. Deer and stags kept away from the mighty elephant. Right? Kept away, you see, another thing, kept away from. Okay, deer and stags kept away from the mighty elephant. माने ସେମାନେ ଦୂରରେ ରହନ୍ତି, ତାଠୁ ଦୂରରେ ରହନ୍ତି. କିଏ? Deer and stags. Right? Even the tiger never came near him. Tiger भी ତା ପାଖକୁ ଆସେନି.
Tiger ଜଙ୍ଗଲ ରାଜା
ଆସେନି. Bhima moved about. So another thing is
କରୁଛନ୍ତି ବୁଝେଇଥିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ସବଜେକ୍ଟ ମାଷ୍ଟର ସେ ବୁଝେଇଦେଲି ଆଉ ସେ ଝିଅଟିର ତ ସିକ୍ସ ସେ ସାର୍ କଣ ପଢେଇ ପାରିବେ ତାକୁ ଇଏ ତାକୁ ଫିଜିକ୍ସ କେମିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ମୁଁ ପଢେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତି
ପଢେଇ ଦିଅ
ତାକୁ ଆସେ ମୁଁ ପଢେଇ ଦେବି ଫିଜିକ୍ସ କେମିଷ୍ଟ୍ରି ମ୍ୟାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ତାକୁ ଡାକିକି ପଢେଇ ଦେବି
ପଢେଇ ବୁଝିଲା. So listen, even a tiger never came near him. Bhima moved about freely in the forest. Okay. One day he wandered. Acha, moved about. Another thing I told you.
Moved about.
Moved about freely in the forest. One day he wandered. You know wander?
WND wonder.
Wander means?
ଜାଣିବା.
No, not ଜାଣିବା. He wander ମାନେ ବୁଲିବା. Wander ମାନେ ବୁଲିବା. ବୁଲୁଛୁ. Yes. Wander ମାନେ ବୁଲିବା. May I write here? Wander. Wander ମାନେ ବୁଲିବା. Right? Okay. So, come here. One day he wandered out of the forest. तार निज जगह बुल नथला. Forest को पळेला, बाहर को पळेला. हैला? And came to a village. The place looked very different from the jungle. He saw green fields of corn in the distance. Okay, in the distance means दूरे. In the distance, right? This is another nice word. In the distance, he saw green fields of corn. Right? Green fields of corn. Right? Corn means what? तो धान गहम एवढा सब
नाही मक्का.
मक्का ए टाइप रो
मक्का एडा.
ओके लिसन सो water no water until it is over you cannot go anywhere listen I will have a feast ता मजा लागिला तार गोटे feast जानछ कोन feast जानछ जाननो do you know feast माने भोजी ଆମେ feast खाइ जिबानी कोन feast देखो भीमा said to himself हैला से ताको निजु को कोन कहला से ता निजु को जहां निजे निजे जहां कहला एटा देखो एथरे लेखा आइची देखो अपोस्ट्रोफे भीतर लेखा आइची एटा को कहंदी अपोस्ट्रोफे जानछो एटा को कहंदी अपोस्ट्रोफे जानछो अपोस्ट्रोफे भीतर लेखा लिसन
एडा कोनदे
apostrophe right so his mouth watered at the thought of the tender sweet corn right he thrust out his trunk to pull out a green plant okay he thrust out his trunk thrust out माने बढ़ेला thrust माने जोर फट कर बढ़ेला right फट कर बढ़े
मेरे होश में ना कल पत्थर का नहावर बना.
yes so again it is coming see pull out already we have written pull down we have written pull out another
काढ़िया.
so no pull out a green plant pull को टाणिबो when the pull down then the pull out yes pull out का काढ़िबो right suddenly Bhima heard टा कहार past tense कहि परिबो heard टा here or someone squeak माने कोन करिवो
सुनिया.
okay squeak keep to your forest जने फट कर कहला keep to your forest तम तू तो जगह रे रह keep to एटा बढ़िया जिंस आ गोटे देखो keep to
अरे तम जगह रह.
keep to माने your forest right squeak माने जानछो तो कोन squeak माने tell right squeak माने भी सुनी माने कहबा squeak suddenly किसी someone squeak someone squeak कहबा squeak right tell listen keep to the forest why have you come to my field okay मो field को मो बिल को कहीं तुम आछो हैला why have you come कहीं आछो nobody had ever spoken to Bhima so rudely before आगुरु ताको केही कर नथिले before you know before जानछो आगुरु rudely जानछो rudely rudely माने एते कड़ा भाबरे केही कहि नथिले कड़ा भाबरे जानछो rudely rudely माने कड़ा रे एते कड़ा रे तुमको बेले बेले रागी गले मु कड़ा रे कहूनी कथा जेंती देखो okay so nobody had ever spoken to Bhima so rudely before No one had ever dared. You know dared? You know dared?
Yes.
Dared? ମାନେ କି ସାହସ କରିନଥିଲେ ଡେୟାର ମାନେ
କି ସାହସ
ସାହସ
କରିନଥିଲେ।
କରିବା କଣ
କି ସାହସ କରିନଥିଲେ।
କି ସାହସ କରିନଥିଲେ 8 ଡେୟାର ମିନ୍ସ
ସାହସ କରିନଥିଲେ।
ସାହସ କେହି ସାହସ କରିବା नो वन हैड एवर डेयर ହେଲା କେହି ସାହସ କରିନଥିଲେ नो वन ଲାଗିଛି ନା so dared to question him ତୁ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କରିବାକୁ ତମେ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କରନି ଇଏକୁ ତୋ ସାଙ୍ଗକୁ ଏଇଟା କର ନା ଏଇଟା କାହିଁ ଆସିଛୁ ଇଆଡେ କହନ ଏମିତି ତାକୁ କେହି କହିବାକୁ ସାହସ କରିନଥିଲେ he looked around another thing listen looked around ସେ ଚାରିଆଡେ ବୁଲିଲା ଦେଖିଲା ଏମିତି ଆଉ looked around and saw a little mouse sitting on the corn stack mouse କୋଉଠି ବସିଛି ନା corn stack ଜାଣିଛ stack do you know stack what is the stack stack huh no stack ମାନେ ତା ଡାଳଟା
ଡାଳ
ଡାଳ
ଭିତର ଡାଳଟା
ଡାଳ ଡାଳ ଏ ଯୋଉ କର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଯୋଉଟା ଗୋଟେ ଯୋଉ ଡାଳଟା ରାଇଟ୍
ଏଗୁଡା
ଏ ଯୋଉ କର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଡାଳରେ ଏଇଟା ବସିନି listen Bhima had never seen a mouse before ବୁଝିପାରିଲ the little animal looked very funny to him ସେ ମାଉସ ଦେଖିନଥିଲା କେବେ ଦେଖିନଥିଲା ସୋ ତାକୁ ଫନି ଲାଗିଲା ବଢିଆ ମଜା ଲାଗିଲା ତାକୁ ଏଇଟା କିଏ ବି ଛୋଟିଆଟେ ମତେ ଡରେଇଲାଣି କିନ୍ତୁ the huge elephant burst out laughing ମାନେ you know burst out hey burst out you know burst out ମାନେ ବାହାର କରି laughing burst out laughing at the teeny creature so this teeny creature you know creature animal ସେ ତାକୁ କଣ କହିଲା ଦେଖ he asked who are you ତାକୁ ପଚାରିଲା I am Mikku a mouse I live in this field it is mine এটা ମୋର you will eat up all the corn in one day right
ତମେ ସବୁ କଣ ଖାଇଦବ one day ରେ
yes you will eat up all the corn in one day will I not starve then okay starve you know starve ମାନେ go without food ଭୋକିଲା ରହିବି ତମେ ତ ସବୁ ଖାଇଦବ ମୁଁ ଭୋକିଲା ରହିଯିବି କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚିନ୍ କଲା ଦେଖ
ଗୋଟେ ହାତୀରେ
ଏଇଠି ଦେଖ ଏଇଠୁ ଆରମ୍ଭ ହେଲା ଆପୋଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋଫେ ଏଇଟା ଡବଲ ଆପୋଷ୍ଟ୍ରୋଫେ ଏଇଠି ଶେଷ ହେଲା ମାନେ ତା କହିବାଟା ଏଇଠି ସଇଲା ଏଇଠି ଲେଖିଛି ମିକୁ ସ୍କୁଇକ୍ ମାନେ ମିକୁ କହିଲା ସ୍କୁଇକ୍ ଟା କାହାର କହନ୍ତି ଏଇଟା ହଉଛି କାହାର ମାଉସର ଏଇଟା ମାଉସର କଥାଟାକୁ କହନ୍ତି ସ୍କୁଇକ୍ ଯେମିତି ହେଲା ଏଇଟା ମାଉସର କଥାଟାକୁ କହନ୍ତି ସେ କହିଲା ମିକୁ ସ୍କୁଇକ୍ ୱିଥ୍ ଆଙ୍ଗର ୟୁ ନୋ ଆଙ୍ଗର ରାଗରେ ଆଙ୍ଗର ମାନେ ରାଗ Bhima did not answer him ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ଆନ୍ସର କଲାନି he found the whole thing amusing ତାକୁ ମଜା ଲାଗିଲା ହେଲା he found the whole thing amusing ତାକୁ ମଜା ଲାଗିଲା ଭୀମା ମିକୁକୁ କହୁଛି ଭୀମାକୁ ମଜା ଲାଗିଲା he just stood there laughing ହେଲା ସେ ଖାଲି ହସିକି ରହିଲା ମିକୁ did not like this and shouted angrily ସେ ହସିଲା ସେ shouted କଲା କିଏ ମିକୁ go away big fellow be gone ପଳା ହେଲା what exclaimed the elephant କହିଲା କଣ ମତେ ଏମିତି କହିଲା ଆଚ୍ଛା ସେ ଚମକି କହିଲା exclaimed ଜାଣିଛ ତ exclaim ମାନେ କଣ ଚମକିବା ହେଲା what how dare you ମୁଁ କହିନଥିଲି ଡେୟାର ମାନେ ସାହସ କରିବା how dare you ask me to go away mouse ହେଲା do you not know that I can cross you under my feet in a trice ମାନେ within second trice ମାନେ କଣ ତୁ ଜାଣିନୁ ମୁଁ ତତେ କୁଟିଦେବି ତତେ ଦଳିଦେବି କ୍ରସ୍ ମାନେ ଜାଣିଛ ତ ଆରେ କ୍ରସ୍ ମାନେ କଣ ଜାଣିଛ ତ କ୍ରସ୍ ମାନେ କଣ ଦଳିଦବା କଣ ଦଳିଦବା ଦଳିଦବା no he shook his mighty trunk with anger ବୁଝିପାରୁଛ ତ ରାତିଗଲା ଆଉ ପୁରା ତାର ଇଏଟାକୁ ଏଇ ସୁପ୍ ଟା କାହାର
ବିକୁ ରାତିଗଲା।
ସୁପ୍ ର ବିକୁ ନୁ ଇଏ ଯୋଉ ମିକୁ ନୁ ଇଏ କିଏ
ଭୀମା।
ହାତୀ ଭୀମା so elephant acha you do you know that what I told soup କାହାର past tense soup ଜାଣିଛ ଆରେ କାହାର past tense ଜାଣିଛ soup shake shake soup shake soup second shake soup
Second.
second shake soup second listen come here so Bhima acha the mouse had disappeared acha okay then here this mighty trunk with anger but where was
Mighty
Miku
trunk?
where was Miku Miku ଡରିକିରି କୁଆଡେ ପଳେଇଲାଣି ହେଲା the elephant could not see him anywhere ହେଲା elephant could not see ତାକୁ ଦେଖି ପାରିଲାନି could not see him
ତମେ ସେ ଚୁଙ୍ଗି ମୁଠାଟା
Hey.
ଛୋଟ
the mouse had disappeared ସେ ପଳେଇଛି କୁଆଡେ disappear ମାନେ ପଳେଇଛି
ପଳେଇଛି
ହଁ।
ନା ଦୌଡ଼ିକି
he had jumped up jumped up another what another nice
ଜମ୍ପ ଜମ୍ପ କରିଦେଲା
Up
ଭୀମା
ମାନେ-
ଉପରେ ଏମିତି ଜମ୍ପ
up ମାନେ ଦୂରକୁ ପଳେଇବା ହେଲା jumped up up the corn stalk କୋଉଠୁ ପଳେଇଲା ଦୂରକୁ corn stall ରେ ବସିଥିଲା ନା ସେଇଠୁ and was now hiding under Bhima's huge body now hiding hide ମାନେ ଜାଣିଛ ତ
ହାଇଡ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସିକ୍
ହଁ। under କାହାର huge body huge ମାନେ ଜାଣିଛ ତ huge huge ମାନେ ଜାଣିନ ବଡ huge ମାନେ very big okay huge ମାନେ
ବଡ
very big very
ବିగ్
big this hide and seek game made elephant even more angry okay ତାକୁ ଏଟା ଆହୁରି ବେଶୀ ଚିଡେଇଲା ଆଉ ହେଲା even more angry ମିକୁ ଯୋଉ ତାଙ୍କ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଖେଳିଲା ସେ ତାକୁ ବେଶୀ ରାଗ ଲାଗିଲା କାହାକୁ ଏଲିଫେଣ୍ଟ
ଏଲିଫାଣ୍ଟକୁ ବେଶୀ ରାଗ
ହଁ।
ଲାଗେ ମିକୁ ଉପରେ
ହଁ come out and fight with me ସେ କହିଲା come out and fight with me if you dare ତୋ ଯଦି ସାହସ ଅଛି ଆସେ ବାହାରକୁ ମୋ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଲାଗ shouted Bhima as he raised his trunk angrily but the mouse was nowhere to be seen ହେଲା
ସେ ବହୁତ ଆଗରେ ଗଲେ ହେଲେ ବି ତାକୁ ଦେଖି ପାରିଲାନି
mouse was nowhere to be seen ସେ ତ ଲୁଚି ଯାଇଛି ଆଉ nowhere to be seen ସେ କୋଉଠି ଦେଖିବା
ତାକୁ ଯେତେ ବି ଖୋଜି ବାହାର ପାଇବନି
yes so listen Mr. Elephant stop shaking that big nose of yours ସେ କହିଲା ଏ Mr. Elephant you stop shaking ଆଉ ହଲାନା ଏତେ ହେଲା
ଆଉ
that
ଆଉ
big
ମତେ ଏତେ
nose
କରନି
of yours ହେଲା ଆଉ ଏ ତୋ ନାକଟା ହଲାନା ହେଲା your
ନାକଡା ହେଲେ
ହଁ।
ନାକ ହଉଛି ପ୍ରଥମେ କାମୁଡିବ
your mighty nose is as hollow as my hole ହେଲା hollow ମାନେ ଜାଣିଛ ତ hollow
ହୋଲ ହୋଲ ବହୁତ
ହୋଲ।
ବଡ ହୋଲ ନାକଟା
hollow ମାନେ କଣ hollow
ହୋଲ ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ବଡ ହୋଲ
ହଁ hollow ମାନେ ପୁରା ଗାତ like my
ତାର ଏତେ ବଡ ନାକ ସେତେ ବଡ ବଡ ଦିଟା
Yes, ଦେଖ କହୁଛି I am going to run into it ସେ କହିଲା ମୁଁ ତା ଭିତରକୁ ଯିବି କଣ କା ଭିତରକୁ ଯିବି ଏ ହୋଲ ଭିତରକୁ ଆଚ୍ଛା said ମିକୁ ଏ mouse inside my trunk ସେ ଏଠୁ ଭାବିଲା ଆଉ ସେ ଆଶ୍ଚର୍ଯ୍ୟ ହେଲା ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଯୋଉଠି ଫିଜିକ୍ସ ପଢିଥିଲି ମାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ପଢିଦେଲି
ହଁ।
ଆଉ ପିଲାମାନଙ୍କୁ ଇଂଲିଶ ୱାର୍ଡ କରେଇଦେଲି ଆଉ ମାଥମେଟିକ୍ସ ଦେଖିଦେଲି
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ଯାହା ହଉଛି
ହଁ
କାଲି ପୁଣି ଆସିବ ଆଉ।
ହଁ ଠିକ ଅଛି thank you sir a mouse inside my trunk listen a mouse inside my trunk no never if this little thing got into my nose ସେ କହିଲା ୟା ମୋ ଭିତରେ ମୋ trunk ଭିତରେ
ଆଗରୁ ତ କହିଲେ ମୁଁ ତ ନିଶ୍ୱାସ ନେଇପାରିବିନି
ହଁ
ମୁଁ
if
ମରିଯିବି
this little thing got into another got into my nose it could really cause trouble ସେ କଣ କରିବ trouble ଦବ ମତେ ହେଲା hot Bhima
ତାର ପିଲିପିଲି ଚାକର କାମୁଡି ଦବ
hot Bhima
ଏବେ
you are
କାଲିକି ଦୌଡ଼ିକି ନେଇଯିବ ତା
you are
ଜଙ୍ଗଲକୁ
scared now you are scared okay
Yes.
huh? you are scared ମାନେ କଣ
ଆରମ୍ଭ କରିଦେବ
scared ମାନେ କଣ do you know scared no scared ମାନେ ଡରି ଯିବା କଣ
ଡରିଯିବା
scared ମାନେ
ଡରିଯିବା
ଡରି ଯିବା ହେଲା
ଡରିଯିବା
ହଁ
ଡରିଯିବା
ହଁ ସେ he was scared now at once the elephant put his trunk into his mouth. सागे सागे कौन कला या ट्रंक टाको आ बाहर कला हैला तो पूरे देला है माउथ एंड ran out. देखो ये put his trunk into, again you see another word, put his trunk into another. हाँ ठीक है, थैंक यू, कल आसो। बस्ता मुझे जाऊँ हाँ तू बस्ता जागा रे। रन आउट ऑफ द फील्ड, रन आउट ऑफ द फील्ड है ना, से तार फील्ड रू बाहर को पड़ेगा। लिसन, कम बैक मिस्टर, व्हाई डोंट यू हैव सम कॉर्न, कॉल्ड आउट मी। सो
फाइट करनी
हाँ एक नो कम बैक से कहला तुम आ से मो पाखु मिस्टर, हाँ व्हाई डोंट यू हैव सम कॉर्न, ओके कॉल द मिकू। से जो एलिफेंट पळेला से कहला ने आउ टिके कॉर्न खाउनु, व्हाई डोंट यू हैव सम कॉर्न हैला, आउ कॉर्न टिके खा ने कॉल्ड आउट तो मिकू एडो ताको जोरे डाकिला हैला। भीमा डिड नॉट लुक बैक, ये सीधा पड़े, he ran away to his jungle. So you see how the clever little mouse scared away माने ताकू भगे देला, ताकू डरे देला, डरे गिरी भगे देला हैला। scared away the huge elephant को केमिति उरेगी पठे